Now, I know that not everyone will be comfortable with using a Python script to implement redirect mapping or URL mapping for either replacement suggestions or generating redirect destinations. So that's why I developed this ChatGPT prompt. This prompt is going to help you to automate the process of generating the same URL mapping table. But it has a limitation. It requires all of the slugs of your URLs to be descriptive. So if your slugs are not descriptive, then you can't use this prompt. But if your slugs are descriptive, then this prompt will likely be a faster implementation for URL and redirect mapping. So the first guide is that you have to crawl your site and your XML sitemap to ensure that no URLs are left out. And the kind of URLs that will be left out are orphan URLs. Then secondly, you have to organize all of your URLs with an error code or a 200 status code. You have to organize them into separate sheets. So if you have a list of URLs that are returning 404s or that are redirecting in links or that are canonicalized in links or that are no follow or no index in links, you have to organize them in a separate table. And then after your crawl, all of the URLs that return a 200 status code, you would organize them into a separate table, right? So you paste the faulty URLs here along with their status code. You paste the good URLs here along with their status code, and then you tell ChatGPT, please help me match the URLs under batch A with their closest match in batch B. Please organize the 404s and suggested redirect destinations in a table. Once that is done, you would get a fitting URL map that can guide your redirect strategy. So in order to demonstrate this, here is a sheet that contains a list of URLs on the website that have 404 status codes. Let's just pick a number of them for the sake of demonstration. You copy the entire table. Let me create a duplicate version of this prompt so that I don't model up the information here already. Okay, so these are duplicated version. Under batch A, we paste like this. We can delete this. So these are the URLs that have a 404 status code. After conducting a crawl of the website, these are the URLs with a 200 status code that are not canonicalized and that are indexable. So let's copy just a few of them. Let me copy all of them so that we have a robust map. Can delete this. And now that this is done, you just need to copy the prompt. So from here, AI prompt starts below this line. So copy from below this line down to the end, go into ChatGPT and paste it. And hopefully, if the word count isn't too large, it would run. Oh, the word count for me was too large. So let's try again with a smaller version. So after shortening the number of URLs, ChatGPT was able to run because the word count had been drastically reduced. And here is the redirect map that it created for us. 404 URL, new design, factory price, smart 8-in-1 air fryer with accessories, bakes, rolls, grills, blah blah blah. The suggested redirect destination was category kitchen gadget guide, and so on and so forth. Where it did not find a redirect match, it suggested the home page. So this is an example of how to go about this using ChatGPT. So please let me know at the end if you found this useful and if it works for you. Thank you.